SquidGrow's latest news and developments, price prediction, and technical analysis at the end of the video. And this one is still a money bag alert. So like the SquidGrow community says, let's grow by smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel, and making sure that bell notification is lit. We got fueled by Shibas' biggest whale. SquidGrow's powerhouse trinity of marketing, community, and utility is here to up the bar on meme coins. The talented veteran team is set to trailblaze ahead and bring unique staking and more to the space. So this is something to be very bullish about. Of course, being listed on gate.io. We got some more listings that we're going to talk about when we scroll up. And of course, you do not want to miss out on these price predictions, right? We got almost 53 million USD raised in our coin, in our gate.io startup with people looking for SquidGrow airdrops. Bullish much? So let me know if you guys are bullish down below. That's a lot of dough coming in to that gate.io startup and people looking for, their airdrop. We got another piece falling into place right here. Let's get these likes and retweets. These are all bullish, news that's coming out, catalysts or whatnot. And then this project, 2 months old, already has been listed on 11 exchanges. So this is big news right here. We are delighted to ask CoinMarketCap to register marketing at SquidGrow.WTF for our self-reporting dashboard, enabling quicker updates for our community via CMC. This is epic right here for me because I understand what they're trying to do. They're trying to have the most transparent way for you guys to have accurate data, most likely through an API or something like that. So that's pretty epic. And I think this is more bullish news because it shows transparency, that the team is making sure that you guys are better informed investors as you guys are moving through the space. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but like I said, 2 months old, listed on 11 exchanges, new hot listing. I want you guys to come over here, light this one up as well. This is Big Economy Global. So let them know how you guys feel about SquidGrow. And this one's also very important right here because this is a how to buy. So we got 72 new potential investors. Let's get this up as high as we can. Let's count each retweet as a possible new investor to the SquidGrow family. This is pretty important right now because moving over to these prices really quick, let's go ahead and get rid of these the background X's or whatnot, the horizontal and vertical lines, because we're going to make our own, right? We got our own that we already see. We see a green wall building up right now with some buys coming in, and it's the same area that we've seen. We already had identified this area right here. Let's go ahead and make this chart big so everybody can see. Let's get our arrows out. So we see that price resistance, which we're not surprised because we already identified this area in the prior videos. If you missed that, go check it out because we already knew what was up. We know that this is that reload zone. And with all this big news coming out, these catalysts with gate.io, 11 exchange listings, and the price basically consolidating, I'm seeing that we got some solid holders, right? People are holding on. And that means that this gate.io, these new exchange listings have not gotten any traction. Why? Because the rest of the markets are basically pulled back. We got Bitcoin pulled back around 19K right now. We got Ethereum pulled back to 1400. So the markets are feeling a little bit of some pressure from the bears, but that tells me that the holders are still here because even with all this catalyst and the markets pulling back, we're basically consolidating and we're still holding above the line that we have identified before, which is at 1214, which is a key support. Let's go ahead and layer this chart really quick to see what we got going on. As we can see that it's going to start to kind of basically start to curl up because we're going to respect that. Now, if you can imagine right now, what the team is doing right now, what most teams should be doing is building during this bear market. And what most traders are going to be doing that knows what's going on, right? And sees the teams that are building, like, getting on exchanges or whatnot, or coming out with real utilities. The minute the markets turn back around, we're in this accumulation zone. That's where traders are going to be accumulating all in the zone because we already found that zero threshold, right? That SquidGrow community is not going to let the price go underneath this. So now we're just looking to break past this 2113. That's going to be contingent on how the markets are doing, the market sentiment overall. But this community can continue to push. Imagine when the gate.io, the rest of the listings get traction, once the rest of the markets pick up and money starts to rush back into these exchanges, people are going to be loading their bags up on SquidGrow. So smash the like button, help the YouTube algorithm push these videos out, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.